Hello everyone. We'll be going for exercise 7b. Before to start with the exercise 7b, we'll revise certain concepts again. And the concept that you'll come across as per as your exercise 7b concern, that we need to understand first of all. So once you'll understand that concept, so you can go ahead with the solutions of the certain questions from that same exercise. As we all know, the laws of indices a raised to m into a raised to n is nothing but a raised to m plus n. You all are aware with this now. Next, a raised to m upon a raised to n is nothing but a raised to m minus n. A raised to m into raised to n is nothing but a raised to m into n. Here it is product law, here it is quotient law, here it is power law. Again, you all know a raised to 0 is nothing but what? 1. A raised to 0 is nothing but what? 1. These are the certain laws that we have already learned. We have solved the sums based on this. Then certain concept that we come across, like if there is a root of a, so how we write a raised to 1 by 2. If it is root of 32, so this will be written as what? Root of 2 raised to what? 5. Again, this will be 2 raised to 5 upon what? 2, because this root is nothing but what? 1 upon 2. Okay? As far as your exercise 7b is concerned, we are going to come across one more concept, that when it is a raised to m is equal to a raised to n, then for sure m will be equal to what? N. Yes, bachcho. Obviously, if it is a raised to m is equal to a raised to n, bases are what? Same. So when bases are the same, we compare indices, and if the indices are same, we compare what? Bases. For example, when I say 5 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to a, so this is possible only when the value of a will be equal to what? 3. But for that, bases should be what? Same. So most of the questions as per as your exercise 7b is concerned will be based on this simple concept only, and that supplementary concepts will be there. That what we have discussed just now. Okay? So straight away I'll be starting with some applications to understand the concept. I'll be going for question number 1 ka third. Question number 1 ka third one. Okay? In that question number 1 ka third, the question is 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to, I hope so you are able to see this, is equal to 27 raised to x plus 1. Now if you see, it's equal to, here it is 3. So is it possible to express 27 in the power of 3? So I can compare the indices. Yes, I can. So this will be 3 raised to 4x plus 1 as it is. This 27 I can write 3 raised to what? 3 into x plus 1 as it is. Isn't it? So this will be 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to what? 3x plus 3. Be careful when you multiply these 3. 3 into x will be 3x. But most of the cases, what you do, you forgot to multiply this by 1. Now since bases are same, here you have to say, since bases are same, you can compare the indices. Now what are the indices over here? 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus what? 3. So for sure the value of x will be what? The value of x will be what? 2. I hope so. It's very clear with you. In this way, most of the questions are based on this concept only. When the bases are same, we are supposed to compare indices. One more question I'll take from same exercise. We are discussing exercise 7b only. So we are going for the question from 7b only. Now for example, second ka third. In that question, it's given that root of 3 upon 5. Root of what? 3 upon 5 raised to x plus 1. Raised to x plus 1 is equal to 125 upon 27. 125 upon what? 27. Now how to go ahead with this question? First of all, we need to understand this root is nothing but what? It will be 3 upon 5 raised to 1 by 2 into what? X plus 1 as it is. I hope so बच्चों आपको clear हो रहा है. Is equal to 125 will be as it is upon what? 27. So this will be 3 upon 5 raised to x plus 1 upon 2. Isn't it? Is equal to, this 125 can be written as what? 5 upon 3 whole cube. This 125 can be written as 5 cube, and this 27 can be written as 3 cube. Okay? Now if you see, here it's 3 upon 5 and here it is 5 upon 3. Now again, we have learned this concept. If we are going to take the reciprocal of this, then the sign of the indices will change. Okay? So I'll rub this question. I'll solve it over here. So it will be 3 upon 5 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 as it is, isn't it? Is equal to, this will be 3 upon 5 raised to what? Minus 3. Raised to what? Minus 3. After solving, how we are going to solve? Now bases are same. So can we compare indices? Yes. X plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 3. Now this will be equal to what? X plus 1 as it is equal to what? Minus 6. So x will be equal to what? Minus 7. Why? Because we have shifted what? 1 that side. So it becomes minus 1. Now again the same concept we have come across when the bases are same. Only you are supposed to understand this concept. When we take the reciprocal of fraction, then the power of indices will change. Should I explain this again? Yes, I'll explain. 5 upon 3 raised to what? It was 3. But if I'll write this 5 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 3, if I'll take the reciprocal, तो ये ऊपर जाएगा, so 3 raised to minus 3 हो जाएगा, और ये 5 raised to नीचे आएगा तो minus 3 होगा. According to which rule? A raised to m is nothing but 1 upon a raised to minus m. ठीक है? So we'll see some more questions in next video. Thank you.